Okay, so if you're wondering how to delete all of your videos at once on YouTube, you can do it on the desktop. I'm not sure if you can do it on mobile, but you are able to do it on the desktop here. So I'm going to show you how you do it. So you'll see here on the video section. So let's say you're on dashboard, for example, go to videos and then click on this button here that says select all. Or if you want to just delete like two, for example, these two, click on them. And you're also able to delete them separately in case you didn't know. So you can click on this and you can delete forever. But you can also press these two here and this will delete multiple. And then on here it says more actions and it says delete forever. So if you click on that, it will delete forever. Now you can't delete all of your videos because if I do that, it will say all 30 of them. It will say delete forever. But I don't want to do that. I only want to delete 1 and 2, these two videos here that I call test. So I'm going to click more actions, delete forever. 2 videos are about to be deleted, and then you go, I understand that deleting is permanent and cannot be undone. So I click that and then delete forever. Now I seem to remember this does take a while. I don't know how long it's going to take to do all your videos. So yeah, it may take a while. So that is how you delete it again. So you're on this page here and you click this button, or you can click multiple buttons here. But if you want to delete all of them, click this button here. So I'm not going to wait for it to finish, but if you want to see how to do it on mobile, let me know in the comments and I'll see if I can find out. There's other videos on the channel that are tips and tricks you can see here. You may want to know if you're new to YouTube and you want to know how to do things, for example. Those are down here. There's also other things on the channel. My channel's about tech and that kind of stuff. Don't forget to subscribe as well. And I'll see you soon.